Good day, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. So, our topic today is a really sensitive one. Really sensitive. Because when you check on the community of Forex traders, you get to see a lot of questions on how to properly draw a trend line, right? And a lot of arguments on how a trend line should go. Some say it should be on the wick, the candle. Some say trend line should rest on the body of the candle, right? And sometimes it's really difficult to choose a side. I can't even pick a side on this. Finding a hard time doing that. So that's why we're here anyway. And let me know what you get to see on the end of the video. And by the way, at the end of the video, leave a comment and tell me what side are you on. Are you on the wick side, on the candle wick? I mean, the trend line resting on the candle wick, or the trend line resting on the body of the candle. What side are you on? Then I'm going to tell you my side. Actually, I'm not on any side anyway. You're going to know which side I'm on anyway. So this is how I do my trend line, how I draw my trend line, and I believe it's probably the best way to do your trend line. So forget about resting on the wick, forget about resting on the body of the candle. These are the things you should look out for when drawing your trend line. Okay, number one, first of all, I do not use candlesticks, and I think I've explained that in one of my videos. I do not use candlesticks to draw my trend line. I prefer to use line charts because it gives me the peaks and the lows. I'm quickly, I spot them easily with the trend line. So with that, you see why I'm not picking a side on being on the wick or the trend line resting on the body of the candle. So I'm going to change this to my line charts. One. Now we've achieved one thing, right? Now we cannot be on any side right now. We escape those arguments. The second one is you want to zoom out your charts. If you just they forget that they are looking for trend line with your chart or on your face, you want to shrink your chart. And of course, the reason you shrink your chart is because you want to be able to find see the market from a larger perspective. It helps you see it really well. So this is it. Now we've turned it to a line chart. Shrink that chart. Now you can easily spot the peaks, right? Easily. You've finally defeated the argument of you have to do it on the wick, you have to do it on the body of the candle. Doesn't matter. Put your trend line, your line chart, and you're good to go. Shrink your chart too. Then the third part now is how do you now draw your trend line. You just want your trend line to have to be able to spot two peaks. Your trend line should rest on two peaks, and once you have that, your trend line is good to go. All you're waiting for right now is you just want price to return back to touch your trend line for the third time. At that third time, this is where you look out for trading opportunities, and this is where breakout happens as well. So if it's not going with the trend line that's in trend, it's going to go against it and break the trend line. We'll retrace again and continue. So now let us draw our trend line. I'm going to draw my trend line from this top here. I'm going to draw it across the peaks. So let's see how it goes. From here, I've connected it to two already. One, this is the first one, and this is the second one. So I'm going to draw it across. So guys, are you seeing? See how I allowed my trend line to rest on the peaks. You can see that, right? Okay, let me number this out for you. Here is one, the big one, from where we spot our first point, this low here, swing low here, and the second one is this. I'm gonna call this 2. So 2. So where are we looking for trade opportunities? The third time price comes to touch this level 3. So guys, you see how I'm able to draw my trend. At this point I can now map the zone out and switch to my candlesticks. So you can see how price broke through. There's a wick here. The trend line is resting. It's kind of resting on the body of the candle. But you do not want to be in the side of the argument of the candle resting on the candle on the wick. Just use your trend line and you're good to go. So you see how price got to this level and it went all the way down, and the fourth time I think it returned back here again. Yes, of course it did, and there was another fall. But the next time it broke through the trend line, and also broke through the horizontal line. See guys, trend line in trading is just another form of support and resistance, but the difference between them and the horizontal line is that they are diagonal support and resistance levels. So at the break of the trend line and the horizontal line, a new trend is formed, and this is a big move. If you want to apply your Fibonacci to this trading, you will see that price got to 38.2, of which it kind of almost touched the trend line. So at this level you look out for opportunity. You can see how it tallies with the support below that was one-time resistance. So guys, this is how you do your analysis with trend line. I think we have to show you more. You have to see more. Let's see if we can find a trend line still on this GBP USD. So shrink charts, let's see. Okay, I think there is no more trend line here. Okay, let's see if we can find one. Let's see. I do not like this trend. It's too slanted. So let's look for something else. If you can find any here. Shrink your charts. Okay, yeah, there's one here. It's a trend line here. Very cool trend line. So guys, you can see this is 1, this is 2, and the third time got to this level. That was when price fell pretty well, really well. You can see that, right? And fourth time broke through this area, broke to the horizontal, but this time around price could not break through the horizontal support. It is unlike our US that almost touched our diagonal support. Stopped just right here and continue the upward direction. So guys, I hope you're catching how to draw the trend line. I'm going to give you a recap. 1, I said you have to change this to your line chart. 2, you have to shrink the chart. 3, you make sure it has at least 2 touches. You are looking at trading opportunities the third time. That's where it goes the trade. And trend line at best is on higher time frame. So say 4 hours, 1 hour, so 30 minutes maybe, but you have to look at it from higher. That's when you find good market setup. Yes, this is a clean trend line on our evil US. This is another one. The clean one. I love this. The movement came down, broke the previous high, gave a higher low. This is where the cost to get little higher. As you can see, it happened again, and you can see how this tallies your support level. Let's see how it goes with our Fibonacci. Let's see what comes out of it. Let's see what comes out. Yep. So you can see how trend line tallies with our Fibonacci. And also our support level. That's why you find this demand to like this engulfing candle. Let's see how it's like on our H1. Yeah, H1 engulfing candle, but either way you can see that markets going bullish after it touches our diagonal support level. So guys, this is how to draw your trend line. I hope you find this easy. So in the comment section, leave a comment below and tell me how you prefer to draw trend line. I'll see you in the next video.